If you want to create a request, you have two options. For one, you can go to the samples page and mark all the samples you want to add to a new request. In my case, I want to do my metal oxides. So I mark the 5 samples and I go to request measurements. Now in this new window, you have to assign the methods for your sample. If you check the box here at the top, this method will be assigned to all samples, but you can also do it individually. If you have been invited to a free trial project, this would include HRXPRPD and total scattering PDF for up to 5 samples. So we can assign it to all of them and say continue. Now you have to provide a name for the request just by typing it in. And then click create a new request. When you now say confirm, this message will appear saying that you successfully created a request. If we go to the request page, we see the request now here. And if you click on it, you have the chance to edit things inside the request. For example, you can check the box in front of a sample, and then using the edit function, you can change the assigned methods. Or if you go to select sample, you have the chance to select other samples and add them to your request. In the request page, you also have the other possibility to create a request by clicking this button up here. You have to provide a name for your request and then click confirm, and now a second request appears. Again, if you click on it, you can edit it. So in this case, we have no samples, so we have to go to select sample and choose samples you want to add to this request. Or alternatively, you go back to the samples page, you mark the samples you want to add, you go to request measurements, select the methods, but now you select the request from the list, say confirm, and now the samples have been added to the request, as you can see here.